Well, hello there, Moose Truck. I thought I'd share a couple of recent thrift store finds that I managed to pick up. I actually looked all over Amazon and other places for a blender and got really frustrated because of all the reviews and ratings that were, saying they were shitty, and most of them are all made out of plastic now, and you gotta pay real money and look to find glass and a metal casing. Do they even make those anymore? Anyway, this is an old oysterizer. Looks like something I grew up with from the 70s or 80s, and maybe even older. It still works like a charm, and it was $7.50. Plugged it in at the store, and every single button and switch works perfectly. And I wouldn't really say it's any louder than a new one. It's got a real metal base. Of course, there's plastic on the front, but I mean, this thing is a tank. It's built like a tank, which is why it still works perfectly. Not to turn this entire thing into a rant about planned obsolescence, but shit that you buy now is made to break in a couple of months or a year, so you have to go buy a new one, and that's shitty for everybody except the company making it. It's shitty for you because you have to go spend money on something and deal with the frustration of having stuff in your life that you need to depend on that doesn't work. And all that stuff ends up in a landfill and does a number on everybody else's existence because it's causing pollution and waste, and I mean the labor and materials that would go into making one of these, Why are we wasting things? It's not like there's a never-ending supply of stuff, raw materials and things on the planet to make stuff with. So anyway, this is built like a tank again and works wonderfully, despite being 30, 40, 50 years old. They don't make them like they used to. And again, $7.50. So, yeah, forget buying new appliances. Get the stuff that was made to last. Picked up a couple of wine glasses as well. $1.50 a piece. Nice and hefty. Also managed to score an old Pyrex dish. Can actually bake and cook in these things. I've had a new Pyrex measuring glass shatter on me before, so they don't make them like they used to. They're not made to withstand as much heat and sudden temperature change as they used to be. Something about the quality and temperament of the glass, I'm guessing. But yeah, I think this was like $5, if that. Unbelievable. It is a solid chunk of glass. Definitely old school. Awesome for leftovers, cooking, whatever. Look at that.